PG2 students.
Hi.
Welcome back. Here, Miss Sari and also
Miss Dita.
will tell you something. So, I want to ask you, Miss Dita,
Yes.
because last week I went to your house, but the house is under construction.
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry I didn't tell you.
Okay.
I had some leaks on my house. Sorry, in my house. So during the rainy days, there some water come inside the house. So I put I call some construction workers to fix my house.
What is that?
Construction worker. You don't know?
No.
Okay.
What?
So children, this is what we are going to learn today. It's about construction worker. So this is construction worker. Repeat after me. Construction worker. Okay. And then construction worker is the person who works in a building to build a building or maybe to fix a building. So he deals with the buildings to fix them. Alright, so to work as a construction worker, they will need
What is that?
wear pack. Repeat after me. Wear pack. Alright, and of course, because it's really important and so many dangers over there, the construction worker needs to wear the safety glasses. Repeat after me. Safety glasses. Alright. And of course, Miss Hari, my construction workers, they brings a lot of things.
Okay.
Yes, they bring a lot of things and they put it into one box. Special box. What is it? Toolbox. Repeat after me. Toolbox. Alright. And inside the toolbox, we have some things. Do you know what is it, Sari?
I know.
What is it?
It's begin with letters of
Alright. So repeat after me. It's saw. Again, saw. Alright. And another thing inside the toolbox is hammer. Hammer. Sorry. Repeat again. Hammer. Hammer. Yes. So it's a hammer. And of course, if you have a hammer, you will need these things. What is it? These are nails. Again, nails. Alright. And to build some buildings, there are many big machines, Miss Sari. Sorry. One of them is the big one. We call it as tower crane. Repeat after me. Tower crane. Alright. They use to lift some materials, heavy materials, using this one. And then the next is wow, it's very big, you know. It's a bulldozer. Repeat again. Bulldozer. Alright. What about this big one? Have you ever seen this, Miss Ari?
Yes.
Yes. And it is a dump truck. Repeat. Dump truck. And wow, this is my favorite. It looks like hands, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like your hand when you are trying to dig something. We call it as excavator. Again, excavator. And the last one. Oh, this machine is used to mix the concrete to build the building. So we call it as concrete mixer. Again, concrete mixer. So that's what happened with my house, Miss Ari.
I think there's something that you forgot.
Oh yeah!
Ta-da!
What is that? Can you guess, children?
What is this?
Yes, it's a helmet. It's a helmet. so this is one of the safety things that you have to wear during working on the construction.
You have to
Alright.
put it on your head.
Yeah, to keep your health safely. Alright, so
Is that all?
I think so. You've known everything now. Okay, I think it's time to say goodbye to the children.
Okay.